Let me show you how to change the blade on these heavy-duty carpet cutter knives. So first make sure to pull your blade inside, and you see in the middle you have this screw. We simply have to take a screwdriver and simply screw it out. Okay, you see, and then we can remove this cover over here, and you see you have the mechanism for the spring here and also our blade. So to remove the blade, so I'm simply taking from this side and simply taking it out. So you see, also if basically the front side becomes dull, you can simply flip over this blade, so without even replacing it. So if that is still fresh. So the holder looks like this. There is a bit of grease on it. Okay, and then again, as you see, you have this like tiny middle part here where the blade actually rests. So you see it has got those two grooves. We simply insert the groove over here in this area over here. So this is what it looks like. Also make sure to clean it out once you also are replacing the blade, because otherwise the action actually becomes sloppy. So then replace it. Before replacing the screw, verify that it's okay and working. And simply screw back your screw. Okay, good to go. Good luck.